In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Bard AI chatbot to your home screen on Android so that you can simply access the chatbot with a click from your home screen. So let's get started. So on your Android or phone, open up Chrome. So just open up Chrome, and then once you're on the Chrome, you're going to type in Google Bard AI. So just type in Google Bard. Okay, so type that in Google Bard AI. Okay, so Google Bard AI is now renamed as Google Gemini. So it's both are the same thing. So you can simply tap on it. Okay, you can tap on it, and that will open up the Google Bard or the Google Gemini, which is known now. Once you're on this page here, click on the three dots which is on your top right, and then from here scroll all the way down and select Add to Home Screen. Now you have two ways of adding this to your home screen. One, you can create it either by a shortcut, so you can tap on Create Shortcut and then just give a name for the shortcut, hit on Add, and this will now tap on Add again, and this will now add a shortcut to your home screen. So as you can see, there is a shortcut created, so you can simply tap on it to access the Google Gemini. Okay, alternatively, what you can do, back to the page, click on the three dots again, and then hit on Add to Home Screen. They also have the official app. So Google Bard or Gemini have the official app, so you can simply tap on it to install this app, hit on Install. Once you have installed the app, you will see that the official app has now been installed. So now you can simply move this to your home screen. So you can simply select, click on it, select Add to Home, and you will see that this is now add to your home screen. So now I have the shortcut version as well as the official app. So you can either use one of these, it's up to you. And that's pretty much it is.